What is apoptosis? What if your body had a built-in self-destruct system, one that quietly removes damaged or dangerous cells before they cause harm? That system exists, and it's called apoptosis. Apoptosis is a form of programmed cell death, a carefully controlled process that allows cells to die when they are no longer needed or when they become a threat to the organism. Unlike accidental cell death caused by injury, apoptosis is intentional, organized, and essential for life. Every day, billions of cells in your body undergo apoptosis. This process helps shape organs during development, maintain healthy tissues, and eliminate cells with DNA damage. For example, during early human development, apoptosis removes the cells between fingers and toes, allowing them to separate properly. Without it, our bodies wouldn't form correctly. So how does apoptosis work? When a cell receives internal or external signals, such as severe DNA damage, lack of survival signals, or instructions from the immune system, it activates a cascade of specialized proteins called caspases. These enzymes break down the cell from the inside in a precise sequence. The cell shrinks, its DNA fragments, and it eventually breaks apart into small, membrane-covered pieces. These fragments are then safely cleared away by nearby immune cells without causing inflammation. This is what makes apoptosis so different from necrosis, another type of cell death. Necrosis is chaotic and messy, often triggering inflammation and tissue damage. Apoptosis, on the other hand, is clean and silent, more like a controlled demolition than an explosion. Apoptosis also plays a critical role in disease prevention. One of its most important jobs is stopping cancer. When cells begin to divide uncontrollably or accumulate dangerous mutations, apoptosis can eliminate them before tumors form. If this process fails, damaged cells may survive and multiply, increasing the risk of cancer. On the other hand, excessive apoptosis can also be harmful. Too much programmed cell death has been linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, where neurons die faster than they can be replaced. In short, apoptosis is a delicate balance between life and death at the cellular level. It's not a sign of failure. It's a sign of biological intelligence. Without apoptosis, complex life as we know it simply couldn't exist.